Okay, guys, I'm actually here in a YM. All right, I went long on a YM here. All right, so we have $53. I take that as on a micro, right? Because I look the short. I take $52 on that. I just short here the RTY, the M2K. All right, I'm up $3. So I'm looking for a short play here into 1030, right? So that's what I'm looking for. A short play into 1030. So once they run up, we trade it in the direction of the market, right? Scalp it to the upside in my prior, and now we're going to short it now. I'm going to short YM right here, micro. So we got the M2K, we short the ES, the NQ, right? I didn't get fill. That thing's too crazy. NQ is all over the place. Right. The price of NQ 12,919, 12,919. Okay. So the play that I'm looking for. So we got to pivot up. All right. Now we can try to take it down in a pivot. Usually look to take it down around 10 o'clock, 10:30. But I got in a little early here. All right. So M2K. All right. He went up. We coming down. So I could hold this a little longer. We could do an a YM Emini here too also. All right. This is all scalp play, guys. All right. So it's just pivot plays. I usually pivot, look for pivots in the market at a certain time of day, right? So we up here $23 on this guy. This guy we down $2. On an NQ, I didn't get fill. See if I get fill on an NQ here. See this little move here? I like this little move here. All right, so the NQ price action is crazy, right? So okay, maybe I get short NQ micro here, guys. I want to do a micro because of the volatility. All right, so far as it is, can't do an E-mini. You get your head ripped off here. See that? It's moving in like a 10 tick move, right? Up and down, up and down. So we got short here, short here, short here, right? All micros though, right? So we make $52 on the YM long. And now we're trying to take them all back down, right? So into 1030, right? That's the play, right? So the place to take them all back down, right? So see if we could get an NQE mini or a YME mini here, right? So we could make some quick money here, but this thing is so fast. I see the micros are, you see how it's trading? So now we up $45 on the M2K, right? That's $400 there on an RTY. All right, he come down here, I take it off. I take it off here. All right, I take off the $45 win there. So now we got this and we got this remaining. All right. Now we look to see if we could get an E-mini. Oh, this is too fast to put on an E-mini right now. Okay. NQ is too fast. And YM is too fast. With the NQ micro, we can look to add to that guy. Right? If he runs up, I'd add to it, okay? See, the play is ready, wait till 10:30, close to 10:30 to take it down. I just front run this one, we make some money, but these two not panning out that way, right? They still got an uptrend. So he make the move down, pivot back up. He never really trade sideways. ADX is pretty good, but the volume is all right, not too bad. You know. It's just the volatility. Look at this. Just volatility. Look at the speed up, all right? Oh, we look to take it down back. And Powell going to be speaking, all right? So they should send shockwaves through the market, okay? We should take another NQ here, guys. We could get fill. Can't get fill. Okay. We got two of these guys. And we take another one of this guy here. Now we look for them. Powell starts speaking. We should flush them, right? Yeah. It's trying to come back here. See how it's right in the trend line? It's just a matter of time before he flush, right? So see if we get a flush here now. Yes, I like that. I got fill on an RTY on a E-mini. Let's see if we get a bigger flush here. It's trading a wacky right there. So. Trade kind of wacky. You see that? How fast it is. It could go from being up and being down in the blink of an eye trading this NQ. I'm looking for this YM to flush though, right? So he goes up, I look to short him again, right? So down $99. Why NQ still rallying up, all right? So he's trading sideways. Coming into 10 o'clock here. We should see if we get a move here, right? So what time is it? 10:22. I'm looking to short this guy on micro, on E-mini. Right? It's consolidating here though. I don't think we go higher into Powell's speech. I'm looking for them to flush it into Powell's speech. All right. We got momentum. Still going up, still going up, still going up. Getting some buy-in here. We're down $125 and two. Right now we have a scratch morning, I guess. Got in a little too early. I was looking for a bigger pullback. Got in a little too early, but I think they're gonna take it down. All right, so we can try to short this guy. They're pushing NQ back up. All right, so look out. We're gonna try to short the E-minis, right? Wow, that's a vicious move. Look at this. Wow. On 2 micro, I'm down $200. I'm gonna add me another micro though. I take an E-mini if you come up here. Right here. Right there, guys. 12. It's fast. Don't take no E-mini, guys. Thing is fast. All right. Too fast. It's coming to the VWAP. All right. YM got to buy here on my NQ E-mini. I'm gonna have to add some to that one. All right. Down $300, guys. Okay, right here. You come to the VWAP. I add in. I'm adding to my thing NQ. Back to the VWAP. Gotta take one there. Looking for a pullback there, right? So see if the pullback here, guys. It's into 5 more minutes before 10:30. So there's in an overbought condition on a 1 minute. So that means the speed to the upside is gonna slow down a little. All right, so but hopefully still trying to go up. This is the VWAP here, right? Trying to get there, right? The white text is 10 to 10:30 range. 10:30, the white text become permanent, those levels, right? This guy tried to come back and test this high here. He's testing the high, the VWAP, all right? So right spot here could take on. You could add right here, guys. Right there. Okay, 1026. We see what to do here, guys. That's a good spot here. Get VWAP and you get a double top. So I got some orders sitting there for E-mini. If it pop up on Fill Me, I'll make some money. Okay. If it pop up on Fill Me there, I'll make some money. All right, so there's a nice rally up off his lows, right? All we want is him to come break here, come here. I'll be fine. All right. YM also. He need to come back to the VPOC. He need to come back here. He need to come back here and then come back here to the VPOC. All right. So that's what we're looking for. RTY is rallying up also. I look to short him. All right. So I got fill on NQ. All right. So looking for him to drop here. Got fill in NQ. Got fill in NQ. Looking for this guy to fail. It's whippy right now. So it's like he got scalped real fast, you know. So Powell is speaking, guys, so it's gonna get whippy. So got to be careful here, right? So Powell speaking. Just gotta watch it. We don't need him to break here, right? So need him to fail. All right, so our E-minis are taking heat, right? Micros. That's fine. That's fine. That's the name of the game, all right? So now I'm looking for a flush here and NQ, a flush and YM. All Powell just shut up, so this market could do what it normally do, trade down, right? So, I mean, pivot here at 10:30, all right? But he's speaking. As he speaks, market get erratic. See what's happening here? That's a good spot to short it though, right? It's a good shorten scenarios, right? So hold 1 second. Guys, that was the phone ringing. Like, oh my God, I got Phil, guys. I got Phil in RTY as I walk away, and that's up on two. I'm up $300. And on NQ, I got Phil. I put a big position on to get Phil, and I'm up $400. So I'm gonna take the $400 here on it. No, I'm up $800 now. $800 in NQ. I'll hold an NQ a little longer, guys. Maybe I'm getting greedy. I'm up 1,070, 1,200. All right, on three. So you know what? I got Phil taking it off. Taking off the $1,000 win. I'm taking off the RTY for a $400 win. All right, so we just make $1,500 on the YM. On YM, I'm up 255, 180, 200, tricks, whatever. So we got close to $1,600 win, but I'm still down in my micros, 200 here. All right, on NQ. All right, so we short the big NQ. The micros are taking some heat on my M2K. M2K. Did I have anything in M2K? So I walk away. I got Phil to answer the phone. No, I don't have anything on the mic on these guys. So I don't have anything. But look at YM, all right? NQ. If I was staying there, it would be a $2,000 trade, and I got out. Right? So yeah, you know what? Make over $1,600. Okay. This guy is running. We just leave him on. Right? So as these guys run up again, we got an opportunity to short these guys again at 11 o'clock. All right. Or into 11 o'clock. So I'm going to get ready to short them again, right? If they rally up. I have to rally up for me to short them again, right? You need to rally up. They need to come up back here, and then I short them again. The reason why we short them, I use a strategy called pre-euro close, where I look to see what the European market is doing. Now, as if we come here to my watch list on investing.com, I see the FTSE is trading mixed London, and the DAX is trading down, and France is down, right? There's only markets that open, right? That I watch. And if you look here, the futures, all right, China 8 shares close, but these guys are trading mix with Hong Kong up, FTSE is getting whacked, DAX is down too, right? So based on that thesis, I would like to see a pop up into 11 o'clock if we get some short covering. And then I short it into the euro close, but it looked like we're not going to get the opportunity to do that. So what I may want to do here is actually short YM. YM micro here at the high, right? Oh, I have on a YM micro, guys. Oh, I forgot. He's taking some heat. So I'm going to add to this guy, right? Add this guy. And I'm going to add to this guy here. Add to this guy. See if they could come down fast, right? Let's see if we could get playing YM here. We get playing RTY possible. I'm going to do a big NQ there. I'll wait for NQ to go up a little more. And then we try to short it, right? So we like it to come up here. And then I short him, right? Yeah, so I'm looking for this guy. What time is it? See if they could fail before 11 o'clock, right? I didn't get fill in this guy, so. God, he gonna leave me. I'm going in here. I didn't get fill. God, miss it. And Q's coming down fast. Oh, I got fill in RTY, okay. Look at that NQ, right? If NQ goes up, gonna be a nice short-term scenario. All right. If you rally up back, all these guys gonna be a nice sell. I mean, down 180 and this guy here, but that's fine. I'm gonna put on some I'm gonna short the he come up here 22.11, 22.9. I try to short him up here, right? Wait for NQ to go up back again, and then I look to take him down, right? So taking $400 heat here. He come up here, I'm looking to short him again. Right. So is YM. YM come back here again. Powell speaking. Long way to go before recovery. They shouldn't be moving the market, correct, guys? I think that would take the market down. Okay. Right. That should take the market down. Well, we're trading in the direction of the trend, right? So want to trade in the direction of the trend, right? So I'm looking for the move, like I normally said. I'm looking for the move down, right? So looking on YM to pull back and NQ to pull back in the direction of the trend, right? So the trick to play this market is to put a bigger position to get a small amount of ticks. You know, that's the trick right now. So you need to flush, come back here, right? So come back and test here, right here. Trade in this range here. All right. That's what we're looking for. Looking for this guy to come back and test here. Right here. All right. 1, 2. Yeah, come back and test here. Trying to get above the mean here, right? NQ, right? Trying to get above the VWAP. Right spot where I got my short before. Right here, right? I could at least get one there, would be fine. So no short covering yet, but okay, here comes YM. YM got a whole gut fill. I got fill in NQ. Got fill in NQ again, guys. Got fill in NQ again. Come on, hit here, hit here. Come on, break, break now, break, 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 guys. What do you think I should do? Hold or just take the profit here? I'm up 455, 500. Scale out. It's only two. All right. It's only two of them I have. You know what? I take the $400 win. So YM got fill up there too again. Put the right spot here. I got three of those guys because he's not moving that fast. But NQ is moving that fast. But NQ micro is still down, right? Still down in NQ micro, right? So take a long time to come back. So what I did, I take the same position again in NQ up here. All right, put it back, got fill on two, and I make 400 or something dollars, right? All right. RTY, he's come up, he filled me here, right? He's not, see here NQ come again. See how fast I took that off. Powell is speaking, right? So some of markets trying to tight economic outlook. So gotta wait till this guy stops speaking, man. My micros are gonna go against me. YM. Look at we gotta wait till this guy finish speaking. $80. Thank God I got out of those that NQ. Gotta wait for this guy to stop speaking to short this market again. So hey Terrence. Yeah, so I make like $1,900, but I'm down 300, 600 here on these micros, right? So, but Powell is speaking, so I can't ever I don't want to take these off yet and take the loss. So, but he's speaking, the market is rallying up, So I'm gonna hold the micros. I'm gonna scalp the E-minis again. So he break through the level here. He's coming here to the value area. This guy is still coming up. All right. So why am micros? I'm down 73. Right. So this guy, I'm down 17. But I'm looking to short these guys again. But we need the Powell to stop speaking, man. So it's hard to my trades. Okay, it's 10:44. If you don't have a micro, you could put one here on NQ, one on YM, and one on M2K as we get closer to 11 o'clock, okay? I could actually take it down now. It's a micro, it's not going to hurt you that much, right? So I like this level here for this guy. Yeah. Oh, he said now is not a time to think of budget deficit. It's time to load up the economy with money. That's what he's saying. So he's looking for Biden stimulus package to revive the market. So what I do? Give the markets a bounce? That's crazy. Look at this. This is crazy. Look at this NQ, guys. Look at this thing. This thing is out of control. Look at YM2. I'm taking back 50% of my money with these micros. Oil stocks are rallying, guys. Oil and financials rallying. Okay, Powell gonna stop speaking soon, hopefully. I'm gonna look to short this guy. Not yet, though. Not yet, my friend. YM, he's trying to break out here on the squeeze. They all got, see the bid and the axe? Still got strength to the upside on the bid and the axe, right? So we gotta wait. Can't do nothing with this guy yet. Maybe soon, but you gotta put them all the way up here to get filled, you know? Even YM too. If YM don't break that squeeze box here, he could come down, It's a waiting game here, man. You need to hold right here. If you hold right there, we make some money. If you could just hold right there, NQ, I'll come back here. So if he could hold right here, all right, we get a pop down. I was just talking up a storm, man. Let this market recover. He need to come back and trade below this level here. NQ. Problem we having with NQ is the cumulative delta just keep going up, all right? So I mean, the difference between the bid and the ask, all right? So stay too long in these micros. They're hurting me now. It's all right. Should be able to short the big guys and make some money. Not yet. We wait for this guy to stop speaking. So coming into 11 o'clock, right? Then we look for the short. All these indices. This. I'll put some YM to get fill here. NQ, I'm afraid right now to take him here. Might mess with one. Yeah, NQ's a short right there, guys. Micro right here. See, come back and trade below that line. I got to put on a big position to make up this deficit here. Right? So he can't go above here, man. It's a killer. He's still trying to go above there, right? So, oh, we got. Guys, take any trade there, guys. So still down, up 3 grand, down a grand, hit 1213 here. So took those big guys off. Just got a little guys here. I'm holding this guy till 11 o'clock. As I'm gonna have to take the loss. That'll leave me with 2 grand profit, roughly. I bet as soon as I get out, this thing gonna go down, right? So it's an opportunity here again for me coming into 11 o'clock. I'll wait. See if they get 11 o'clock bounce. All right. I'm gonna put one to get filled here, somewhere here. Maybe around 9 to 1. All right. So it's YM. YM is at the V Park. There's a nice spot. The venture. All right. I miss NQ. I like him to pop up a little more, as I'm gonna have to go market. I missed it twice. Okay. Oh man, I messed up. I gotta change the quantity to 1. RTY. RTY is a short here, guys. RTY is a short. RTY is a short. Yeah. Oh man, I miss YM, bro. Try to get YM here too. Okay, I'll miss RTY, man. God, I'm upset. Look at that. Ah, can't even see my art on the dome. I'm gonna hold it, see if it come back and fill me. This candle, if this candle closed below this, I miss it altogether, all right? So, okay, let me see if we get the drop now. Looking for a drop in these guys. Oh, if he come back and fill me, then I get filled. Not gonna chase him. All right. Fill me. Come on, fill me. This is hooking down nice. Look for failure here in NQ. All right, momentum shifting a little here. Oh, it's coming into 11 o'clock, so you can get very whippy. Okay? Got fill in the RTY. Got fill in the RTY, guys. Up 90 bucks. See how it came up and fill me? Okay, got fill in NQ too. So, okay. I got to wipe off this deficit here in NQ. So, looking to N2 to come back to the value area here. We're making the turn here between the 5 and the 21 here. This cloud is a 5 and 21. The 5 is above the 21, so the cloud is green. All right, so you're looking for these guys to fill. If you're going to take a little heat, them right, because coming into 11 o'clock, you're going to get a little back and forth, them right, but they can eventually work, all right. So, all right, here we come, guys. Here we come. This is what I like. Come on, come on. Come back here to the value area. Come to the value area and make money again. Value area, value area. Here we go. Here we go. Big position. Taking it, guys. I'm taking it. 700. I'm waiting for a little more drop. One more drop. Come on. One more drop. One more drop. One more drop. Come on. Come back and take my money. I'm being stupid there. What this guy is doing. I gotta wait him out. Still down a grand. See if I get filling our YM here. So NQ, I'm gonna have to wait him for the next drop. Leave $1,000 on the table. That's all right, guys, but I still think we're coming down. We can get this whippy action into 11 o'clock, all right? I'm down $15 on this NQ, but I want him to drop. You're going to make one more attempt. One more attempt. Here we come. One more attempt, guys. I didn't get out. Went against me. I didn't get out. They're going to try to scale out. All right? Put it here. See if I get filled there. Trying to go up again. You know what? I'm going to wait this trade out. I let this trade run and take my risk. Let me see what this guy is doing. One, come down, one more failure. Can make one more attempt, right? One more attempt to fail again, all right, guys? This could be a big trade. Here he comes again. They're making one more attempt. One more attempt. Come on. Yes, guys, is what you believe in your setup. You believe in your setup here again. I'm up 1,200 again. What I should do, guys? Taking it. 11.55. I'm done. 11.55. 3 times I could have taken that trade, right? $1,100. I was looking for a $2,000 trade, but now I got out. That might end up being. Let me see what the micro's doing. This guy was up 100. We only up 15 here. Micros are still getting, but look at this. If this come here, that trade would be like, forget it. A $3,000 trade. This is what I'm looking for. This breakage here. It's 11 o'clock. So I'm getting an opportunity to short NQ again. If NQ go up to the top, I'll get a chance to short it one more time. Why am I doing much? He's stuck here. But this NQ is look at this guy. If he break and come here, break my heart. So you pre-Euro close. If NQ come here, going to be a good trade, man. I don't know if I should get back in. Maybe I take one there. I'll take one if I could get fill. Got fill on one. No, I ain't got fill yet. So I'll wait for him to pop up back in this zone here. He pop up back in this zone. It's 11:02. We could wait for like 5 minutes. All right. He's down 70. Down 169. And Q coming back in the zone here, guys. Gonna try to fish for one here. 13,100 or 1393. If I could get fill there. All right. I don't want him to break here, though. That's my goal there. He break there, close the trade. Okay. Oh, man, it's fast. Trying to break it. Trying to break it. You got to fail there. You don't want it to break this swing, right? Right? So I'll put that line there. There's a line in the sun. If he close one close above that, then I'm out, okay? They ain't closed yet. 9 seconds. Get some buying coming in here. 4 seconds here to close. If you close above that, you got to swing. All right? So you need to fail. Come back in that thing. Why I'm here is looks like a good short here too, guys. This is 11.30 pre-Euro short. You could do micros. You could do micros in each one of these guys. Like we got micros here. It's taking a lot of heat. $1,500 a heat. I can't see them going into the euro close and buying the market, am I right? Market is rallying because of monetary policy. Because of Powell talking about his monetary policy, right? So, okay, and Q need to come back in that zone. Or if he get up here, all right, but he need to, so we need to change here as a swing, prior swing. So we got some zones here you need to, excuse me. So you need to get out of these zones here for you to make money, right? So is YM. YM here. RTY. We like RTY here, guys. If you don't have them on M2K, you put on an M2K. Okay? Trying to get fill in an M2K. Okay. Put on two M2K there. Okay, what happened with my NQ? I couldn't look at it. All right, it was down like $300 on my NQ. I didn't want to look at that. I would have killed it. It come back, break here, come back in my way. I bought it at them, right? God, my throat itching. Excuse me, guys, but here we come. So this NQ could come down low now. So I add to my RTY, guys. See how I add to rhythm, right? I'm playing this into Euro close play here. All right, into Euro close play. See what this guy is doing? Gonna hold my trades them a little longer. See if we get a flush. All right. Oh, I should have just take the profit and then regroup after, you know. RTY, I might as well take it here, guys. Taking it off. $45. See why I'm. Okay, NQ gonna fail here, guys. €3 close flush for NQ here, guys. They're all gonna flush here now. All right, and get a little pullback. He can come and he can target the VWAP. Let me see if I could get something on YM here. Shit, I might miss it. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, we want them to flush him, right? So that's a trick. I want them to start flushing down. RTY come up here. Come back up at the top of this box here, which is a swing. I look to short RTY again, okay? The lady. Yeah, see, he needs to stay right there, below the trend line and this line here. This guy is not doing much. YM is not doing much. I want to short him, but I put it up here and see if I get fill. We need to see if these guys are going to pull back here. We're into the Euro close, guys. Euro close at 11:30, right? Might get some short covering. They're going to push these guys back up, right? As long as he stay below this line, we're fine. All right. Well, I am trying to come back to the open here, which is going to act as resistance, right? Oh, see? Little short cover in here. Little short cover in here. Momentum shift here. Kind of a little sloppy, right? So I'm down 100 in my NQ again. All right. Was up. Down to something. It's hanging out at this line here, right? So I'll find an opportunity. If he try to come back up here again, I'll try to add more. RTY here. I think I'll take an RTY here. I'll miss it. See if he come back and fill me. Here comes YM. I got to take a couple YM here. But I got fill in 2. NQ. Oh, here comes NQ, guys. Yeah, let me see if we get a pull back here now. Okay. See if we get a pull back in NQ. I got fill on 2. They're going to pay for my micros. See if he could come back. Remember, I said you want to come to the VWAP, all right? Gonna be a little bouncy here, all right? Gonna be a little bouncy here, all right? So, what the micros are doing. Now then, look at the ES, guys. But if you're trading YM, you don't want to trade the ES, all right? The charts look the same, right? So if ES beat you, then you could come and short this guy, all right? I didn't get film on my this guy here, so. This thing is just going back and forth here, right? Back to where I got him somewhere here. Take a little heat, So, well, once you don't break this line, he tested too many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Hopefully he failed here now, guys. So, tested 6 times. And we're getting deeper into the pre-Euro close, right? This guy never filled me. He leave me. See that? If he come up and fill me, I take it. All right. This guy's just trading here. I want to add to my trade, but I can't do that right now. YM, same setup. If he fails, we make some money, right? So here he comes. Here comes NQ. Think now is the time, right? We know the time to add to this NQ here. Let me see. This is strictly playing the Euro close, right? And trading in the direction of the bigger trend of the market, right? Market was down big. Powell starts speaking, right? And run the market up. But that's the dilemma we have. So So now I think he stopped speaking. So hopefully we get the move down that we're looking for, right? YM to come back to the VWAP, break the VWAP and come to the preload. This guy come to the value area and then start tracking down, but he have to get past here first before he come back to the VWAP. If we look here, our RTY, all right, or we make this NQ, NQ to critical level right here too, right? This level here. 13, 111. Good area for NQ. 13, 111. It can't break above this area here. All right? Which is somewhere here. So I would have liked him to be up here, then he come back into the zone. But he's trading right now within the zone. All right? Don't like when it's trade within the zone. I like it to trade outside the zones, the current session zone, and then come back into this green area. All right, so we see if we get a drop here, guys. See, I'm looking here. I'm looking here. See, come back here to the value area. I got fill. I took some more. I'll watch it here. Watching this big chart here. It's a 2 minute, right? This half standard deviation line. You need to come here. 13,068. Why I need to come back to the VWAP? Come break the VPOC. Need to break this VPOC here and then come to the VWAP. This guy need to come back and trade below the value area. Okay. So that's the setup, guys. RTY, guys. I think I got fill. Oh yes, I got fill in my limit order. Look at that. He's up $190 on that limit order fill. See that? Here we come. Into 11 o'clock. Took a little heat. And they're all going to pay off again. All right. So YM got fill. Hit the VWAP. YM hit the VWAP on the micros. All right. Here we come. Here we come. Money again, bro. Money, 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 money. So let me take off. Look, guys. Here. Look what happened. NQ got fill. Here we go. Another grand. $1,800, guy. I'm getting out. $1,800. $2,000. I'm out. RTY, I'm up 3 something. I'm taking that off too. Right? On YM, I'm up 465. Taking them off. That's a $3,000 scalp play. 3,000. I'm down $900 here. And I'm down 133 here. I'm down $1,000. M2K, I'm up 54 on 2, so I'm taking it. Taking off M2K. So I just got to manage these 2 guys now. So I could take these loss, right? I could scale out to this. All right, but I think he coming down to the VWAP. I come to the VWAP, I take the loss. Okay? Look at this. Would it be a $3,000 trade if I hold it? Terrence, you seeing this? Hey, Len, you see this? So what I'm gonna do here, he come back to the VC. Look, YM, he came to the VWAP. Right? Hit the VWAP. That's why I want him to come. Break the VPOC, come to the VWAP, take it off. The micros, they're gonna take a while to come back, but you know. This guy, if he come back to the VWAP here, I take the loss. Okay. I'm not going to hold my breath to get more because he's giving me a chance to get out with a smaller loss. That's the logic, right? RTY was a beauty. The one little contract make us one contract make us money. So let me start scaling out to this thing. Maybe one at a time. Here we comes, Terrence. He come here. This can be like a 500 loss, right? I'm gonna scale out here. One. I'm taking the loss. I leave that there, and that's it. Take 3 something loss. A $300. Here's the trick when you get caught up in the micros. When a micro down $1,000, right? That's $10,000, right? On an E-mini. So when you come back this much, you might as well take the loss. But if I hold those things, I would be up $10,000. You understand? If I hold those 4, 7, 6 contracts, I would be up big. Cause watch, you break here. Now he's coming back to the VWAP. You get the sell volume, right? Back to the VWAP. Look, this is not magic. These levels work. He back to the VWAP. He's at a VWAP, breaking below the VWAP. Look, break below the VWAP, break below the VWAP. I'm going to scale out to this. I didn't get it. I want to take the loss, right? That's the goal, right? So a $500 loss instead of a $2,000 loss, right? Hit the VWAP, time to get out. Give me an opportunity. Won't let me out. 1. Got 2 left. I'll hold the 2. Right? This guy is coming down. This is a beauty. This RTY was the best trade. You take it up here, Phil. There's a $300 on one contract. Look at this. Better than all of them. They didn't give me no heat. This guy gave me a lot of heat. I had to wait him to break this line. He tests this line 1, 2, 3, 4. Every time he go up here, I'm down 200, down 200. Once he break, I add. And then I got the drop. Once he break in, I get across, I add. And that was all for Jesus. So look at this guy. See, I'm getting out. I'm done. I'm tired watching this trade. Take the $500 loss. Come back to the... He could go lower, right? I'm going to hold this guy. See if he could fall a little more. But just give me a chance. When you get to the VWAP, all right? They tend to pivot off the VWAP, all right? So if we come back and we look at this guy here and this big picture, right? It's a 2-minute chart, right? They come back and try to pivot, right? And then they give him more. You see how he's pivoting? All right? See that? Still in a downtrend, right? But then it could be down $700. So this is extreme selling here too. We look at YM. If he come down to these bonds here, I just take the loss, right? So I look for him to see if he could come down to these bands, like this band, and I get out. I take the $100 loss. I lost 6 something. Well, we make, I know, 3,800. Not bad. All right. But I think if we hold these guys, they could sell off into the day. But the problem with YM is that the stocks within YM are taking it off. The stocks within, I'm going out, taking this up, done. So I take the loss. I have nothing else. All right. The problem with YM is that the stocks within YM are holding much better, right? So he only comes down because the bigger market is coming down, right? So But look at YM. Let me show you guys something about YM, guys. All right. If you notice something here, just see to my 240-minute chart. All right. Look at this. Came right to the open and fail. All right. See, he failed here this morning at the open. He come right back to the open and fail. Could he come back to the low of the day? I don't think so. He could come back here. Take this off. This one was my other target. He could come back. This is a 10:30 to 10 o'clock high, but he could come back here. All right. If he breaks here, he come here. All right. You look how he consolidated here and then rally up and grind up. All right. So if I didn't take that off, I would have done like $90, $60, whatever. But that's the thing. See, he failed at the open. So if you look back at your chart, if you look at NQ, all right, the open was here, break above the open, all right, it's closed. Yesterday was all the way up here, all right. I was worried about that. I was worried coming here, though, all right. I was worried we would come here, the 50%, all right, mark. But stay within this box, give me a lot of headache here in this zone here. But once he didn't break this prior swing here, all right, this is where I enter on the before the swing move up, all right, and I keep this on it because I know once he break it, I'll count how many times he keep touching it, all right, and I'm saying okay, he keep touching it, but if you notice what was happening, the cloud is wide, the cloud start getting narrowed. I mean, we getting choppy, right? And then once we get a break into the euro close, the time frame I'm watching as we get deeper into 11:30, we get a failure. Because think of it, the Europeans don't want it to take anything into tonight, all right? So if we had a short covering that push it up, and then I was betting that these guys don't want it to take it up, right? So that was the bet. Nice winning day, man. But when is this volatile? Do micros or wait, you know? You follow the strategy. If we are wait at 11:15, then I want to take no heat. Would all be profit, right? But you don't know when it's going to turn, and there's no perfect entry, right? The only perfect entry we had was on this guy. Every time we put a limit order, he come and touch us and came and just fall, right? So the perfect the perfect entries was an RTY, right? We put limit order, he come and fail us, and what do you make us? I don't know, $400 alone? But I put a limit order. This is why I love RTY. Well, yeah, so we go back to YM. That's the problem with YM, right? No. I got to bring up my Think and Swim now. I shut it down before. All right, so